Hi, I would like to share my new recipe with you, the sesame octopus. I have about 9 ounces of octopus, and this is already cooked. If you can find a cooked one, you can buy the raw octopus. All you can do is you cook that in about 40 to 45 minutes in the boiling water until they are tender. So the octopus, they are so long, so I'm going to cut it and cut it pieces like that. See, on the top of it, they have a thick skin right there. They are slimy, so I don't like that slimy feeling. So I'm going to cut the thicker skin out. The bottom part is okay because they are thinner. See how thick they are? So I'm going to cut it. If you don't mind slimy, you can leave it on, but for myself, I don't like that, so I'm going to cut it. And I got this octopus at Costco. So I'll cut that one. See how thick they are? They're really thick. I don't want that thick skin. Okay, this is all good. Then I'm gonna put it right here. Then I put about 1 egg in it and 2 tablespoons cornstarch in it. Then you mix. And the octopus, they already salty, so you don't need to put any seasoning in it. Okay, I'm going to put it in deep fry over there. And for 350 degrees. And you deep fry it until it turns brown. Okay, when you deep fry anything, do not touch it right away, okay? Wait until a minute. Okay, this is a minute, so I'm going to stir a little bit, so make sure they don't stick, they don't stick together, and separate them if they do. So you deep fry until they turn a brown color, then it's going to be done. So wait for a minute. Okay, this is almost ready, but I would still want to brown them a little bit. Just wait for a couple more minutes. Maybe another minute should be ready. Okay, this is already a couple minutes already. They look about ready, so I'm going to remove it. I'm going to turn it off. Let me remove it first, then I turn it off. And I'm going to put it in a paper towel. Okay, then for the sauce, and this is all done. For the deep frying, for the sauce, I use about 1 cup of water and ½ cup of white sugar and 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili flake, pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Can you mix? And I have some lemon also too. And I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water. Can you mix? looks good. Then wait until the wok hot, the pretty hot right now. And stir a little bit, make sure the sugar is melted. Okay. So wait until they're boiling, then I'm going to put the cornstarch with water in it. Okay, the sauce already boiling, so I'm put the cornstarch with water in it. See it getting thicker now? Then I'm going to put all the octopus in it. And that's it, you're done. You need to turn off the heat. Because the octopus already cooked, so you don't need to cook it that much. Then I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seed on top of it. Okay, I make today the sesame octopus.